Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover multiple hiring opportunities for 2025, 24, and 23 pass out candidates. So when we come to the first role, that is from Wipro, and the role is management trainee, location is Bangalore. These are the responsibilities we need to perform. So you are going to resolve the issues which are raised by the various clients, and we need to provide a proper documentation. Whatever the information we communicated with the client, including name, department, and contact information, and the nature of the problem or the nature of the issue which is to be resolved, that we need to prepare a kind of documentation. So for that, what we need to do, we need to follow the standard process as well as the procedure to resolve the client issues. We need to maintain the log based on the calls received from the various clients. To reduce the resolution time, we need to maintain the proper documentation and we need to update the help documents in regular intervals. So we are going to maintain the information of the product once we communicated with the client or before communication with the client. So we need to troubleshoot all client queries in a user-friendly or the professional manner. And we need to maintain the logs as well as records, accurately process and record all incoming calls or incoming mails and alternative solutions to clients where it is applicable. We need to provide an alternative solutions. And these are the things you can go through. If you are interested, you can apply by clicking on the apply link. We come to the second organization that is called Edgeverse, and the role is system engineer. The graduates of BE BTech from 2025 batch only eligible. The selection process for this is, first we need to go through online assessment that is called coding challenge. And once you go through or once you qualified the coding challenge, you are going to have the technical as well as HR interview. So once you shortlisted in all the 3 rounds, then you are going to join in Finacle, that is Finacle Digital Banking Platform. So in that, you're going to train. So after training, you're going to be part of the projects related to delivery, testing, development, and support. Based on your eligibility, you're going to join any one of these departments. So the location is Hyderabad and the company standards. Based on the standards of the company, you're going to get the salary. The candidates who are not eligible to apply for this particular position. The candidates who graduated in the previous year, candidates currently have backlogs, and willingness to work from Hyderabad Pocharam campus is a must. And then we currently follow the hybrid model. Work from office 3 days per week is mandatory. If your CV is matching with these criteria, then you are eligible to apply for this particular position. If you are interested, click on apply here. When we come to the third, that is called Student Intern Bangalore, Karnataka. And this is individual contributed and the post date is 13/5/2025. Still, this position is open. Those who have 0 to 2+ years of experience, they can apply for this particular position. And visa work permit sponsorship not available for this position. Based on the requirement, you need to travel for abroad also, but for that, visa and other expenses you need to bear. And this is entry-level job. Go through all these things. If you are interested, click on apply here. So when we come to the next, that is from Wipro again. The School of IT Infrastructure and Management, those who the candidates from 2024 and 25 batch are eligible for this particular hiring. And this is pan India, multiple locations you are going to have here. And the last date to apply is 15th June. Those who want to pursue their higher education along with the full-time job, then you are eligible. So those are from diploma and those who want to pursue the higher education that is called BTech, then you are eligible to apply for this particular position. Here, the CTC you are going to get is 12,400 per month. This is first year stipend. And second year, 15,488 you are going to get. Third year, 17,553. Fourth year, 19,618 you are going to get. If you qualify diploma and you want to pursue BTech along with the full-time job, then you can apply for this particular hiring process. So this program they are calling as a senior. This is provide opportunity for the diploma holders to obtain BTech in Information Systems from University Accredited, that is Institute of Eminence status by Government of India. That is from the top institutions you are going to get the BTech degree along with the full-time job. So 10th class pass, 12th pass and diploma at least we need to have 50% of marks. And those who passed in the year 2024 and 25 are eligible. And when we come to the qualification, from these batches, those who completed diploma in computer science, IT, electronics, telecommunication, computer engineering, electronics and communication, computer technology, computer science and technology, electrical and electronics engineering with 50% above are eligible to apply for this particular position. And there are some set of rules are there. If you have maximum of 3 years of education gap, then also you're eligible. And if you have more than 3 years of gap in your education, then you're not eligible to apply. Full-time diploma courses are allowed. If you did any part-time degree, then you're not eligible. So it is mandatory to have studied core mathematics is one of the subject in diploma. So anyway, if you complete a diploma, there is a compulsory subject called mathematics in your diploma course. You should have one of the subject called mathematics during your diploma course. Then business maths, applied maths will not be considered as a core year. Open school and distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th only, not for diploma. So if you have maximum one backlog during the application process also, you are eligible. And you should be Indian citizen and the age should be above 18 years. And for this, there are 4 rounds are there. In round 1, you are going to have online assessment. And this assessment is for 80 minutes with 4 sections. In the first section, you are going to have verbal, 20 minutes, 20 questions. Second section, analytical, 20 questions, 20 minutes. And third section, quantitative, 20 minutes, 20 questions. Written communication test also 20 minutes. Like this, for these 80 minutes, you are going to have the online assessment. Once you've gone through this online assessment, so voice assessment in round 2 and in round 3, business discussion, and round 4, pre-scaling and training. But the basic condition is there is an agreement here. The agreement should be for 48 months, that is 4 years. So for 4 years, we need to have agreement with the Wipro. If you are interested, go through all this information regarding this program and then apply now. So when we come to the next hiring, that is also from Wipro, Work Integrated Learning Program, that is called WILP. And those who qualified in the year 2024-25 are eligible for this particular hiring process. And the last date is June 15th here. And the CTC for first year, you are going to have 15,488 per month. And in the second year, 17,000 plus 553. And in third year, 19,000 plus 618. In fourth year, 23,000 stipend you are going to get. Apart from this, you are going to get additional bonus of 75,000 after joining this particular program. For this, those who completed BSc and BCA and those who want to complete higher education, in that case, you can apply for this particular position. In both the cases, whether you are from diploma or whether you are from BSc, BCA, the complete expenses related to education will be borne by the Wipro only. So for this, the minimum eligibility criteria is we need to have passed in 10th and 12th and 60% in the UG. 24-25 years are eligible. And if you have Bachelor's of Computer Applications or BSc in Computer Science, IT, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics and Physics, then you are eligible to apply for this particular hiring. The same eligibility criteria you are going to have. So open school is allowed only for 10th and 12th, not BCA and BSc. One backlog is allowed at the time of online assessment. Need to clear the backlogs before joining this organization. One core subject should be mathematics in our degree course. And maximum 3 years gap is allowed. And during the graduation, no gap is allowed here. Should have Indian citizen. These are the basic requirements. Same way, in round 1, online assessment, voice assessment in round 2, round 3, business discussion, then service agreement. So for this, we need to have an agreement for 5 years of duration. We need to work 5 years with this organization, which is mandatory. So these are the terms and conditions you can go through. If you are satisfied with these terms and conditions, then you can apply now. The next role, that is from HCLTech. If you are 2025 passed out batch from BTech, CSC, IT, ECE, EEE, and EIE, then you are eligible to apply for this particular position. We need to maintain a minimum of 70% aggregate and willingness to relocate in Pan India. So if you are interested, click on this link. It will be redirected to HCLTech webpage. If you have login, you can log in with that credentials. Otherwise, you can register, then proceed for application. That's all for now. If you have any queries, simply comment on me so that I'll try to reply. Thank you. All the best.